Welcome, fellow garden enthusiasts, to our guide on sustainable gardening practices for every region of the USA. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. The United States is blessed with a rich tapestry of climates and environments, from the sunny shores of California to the snowy peaks of Vermont. And no matter where you are, sustainable gardening is not only possible, but essential for preserving our planet. So, what exactly is sustainable gardening? It's about working with nature, not against it. It's about nurturing the soil, conserving water, and supporting biodiversity. Let's start with the foundation of any successful garden, the soil. Healthy soil is the key to healthy plants. One way to improve soil health is by adding compost. Compost is like black gold for your garden. It's rich in nutrients and helps retain moisture. Another essential practice is water conservation. Instead of relying on municipal water sources, consider collecting rainwater in barrels. Drip irrigation systems and mulching are also great ways to reduce water waste and keep your plants hydrated. Next, let's talk about biodiversity. A diverse garden is a healthy garden. Planting a variety of native plants not only attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, but also helps maintain a balanced ecosystem. And when it comes to pests, there are plenty of natural solutions to keep them at bay. From companion planting to homemade insect repellents, there's no need for harmful chemicals. Finally, let's not forget about the joy of harvesting your own fruits and vegetables. There's something truly satisfying about knowing exactly where your food comes from, and it doesn't get any fresher than your own backyard. So, whether you're gardening in the arid deserts of the Southwest or the humid forests of the Southeast, remember, sustainable gardening is within reach for everyone. By working with nature and following these simple practices, we can create thriving gardens that benefit both ourselves and the planet.